Welcome back to Technify, your home for the latest in drones, tech, and all things flying into the future. In today's video, we're diving deep into DJI's most exciting upcoming releases for 2025. If you thought 2024 was big, what's coming next is on a whole new level. From high-end FPV beasts to ultralight travel drones, DJI is gearing up to shake the skies with 6 powerful models. We're talking the smart and pro-ready DJI Neo2, the speed-focused FPV2, the cinematic Avata 3, the creator-friendly Mini 5 Pro, the stylish and compact Flip 2, and the perfectly balanced Air4. These aren't just minor upgrades. These are next-gen machines with leaked features that could redefine what drones can do. Better cameras, longer flight times, smarter AI, and more immersive flying experiences are all part of the package. So buckle up and stick around as we break down each drone in detail. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop from Technify. Number 6. The DJI Neo2 is rumored to be a game-changer for pro-level drone users. Powered by AI and boasting 6-way obstacle sensing, this drone could become one of the smartest in DJI's lineup. Its standout feature? A real-time decision-making flight system that adapts to complex environments. Great for pros filming in cities or rugged terrain. Battery life could reach 60 minutes, making it the longest-flying DJI drone ever. And with a 1-inch 20MP sensor, 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, and 10-bit color, content creators can expect cinematic footage with brilliant clarity and low-light performance. The Neo May 2nd also include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, a redesigned controller with a built-in screen, and a propulsion system capable of 65 miles per hour. All this packed into a foldable design makes it ideal for fieldwork or creative shoots. If leaks are true, the Neo2 isn't just about specs. It's a future-proof flying tool built for serious creators and industry professionals alike. Number 5. The DJI FPV2 is shaping up to be a dream machine for immersive pilots and racers. The leaked redesign points to a lighter frame and improved aerodynamics, giving it more agility without losing strength. This could mean smoother flights and better durability, perfect for speed runs and cinematic FPV shots. Camera upgrades include a bigger sensor, 4K video with higher FPS, and better low-light handling. Ultra-low latency is expected, enhancing real-time responsiveness for more intense flying. Battery life might stretch to 25 minutes, which is great for an FPV drone. A new set of goggles could bring higher resolution and a wider field of view for full-throttle immersion. With rumored OcuSync 4.0 or Wi-Fi 6, expect clearer video and a longer range. Beginner-friendly features like better obstacle detection, return to home, and assisted flight modes make it safer to learn. The FPV2 blends power with accessibility, aiming to satisfy thrill seekers and filmmakers all in one bold package. Number 4. The DJI Air4 is set to be the sweet spot between beginner ease and pro-level performance. Rumors suggest a 46-minute battery life, which means more time in the sky and fewer battery swaps. Ideal for capturing extended content. A redesigned gimbal and improved durability could enhance shooting in rough weather or fast motion. The Air May 4th feature a 1-inch sensor with 5.4K video at 60 frames per second and even a dual-lens system, giving wide and telephoto flexibility in one drone. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 6.0, and a rumored Follow Me Plus mode make filming moving subjects smoother and safer. Better connectivity, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, helps with sharing and syncing on the fly. Its foldable, lightweight build stays user-friendly, but the added muscle under the hood brings it close to pro territory. If the leaks pan out, the Air4 might be DJI's most balanced drone. Great for anyone who wants advanced features without the bulk or learning curve. Number 3. Compact and creator-friendly, the DJI Flip 2 is all about safe, smooth flying in tight spaces. This palm-sized drone features enclosed propellers, great for indoor flying or close-range outdoor shots. It stays under 250 grams, keeping it legal and hassle-free in most regions. Despite its size, it may include a powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor that shoots 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, raw photos, and 4x digital zoom. A wide 82 degrees field of view makes it great for capturing action or landscapes on the go. Battery life might hit 30 minutes, and a charging hub is likely for quick top-ups. Gesture controls, active track, quick shots, and LED lighting make it fun and beginner-friendly. The updated controller is said to improve grip and responsiveness. This drone is aimed at vloggers, travelers, and hobbyists who want a small but smart flying companion. With performance and ease of use rolled into one, the Flip 2 could be the best indoor and casual use drone in 2025. Number 2. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the ultimate pocket drone for creators on the move. Staying under 250 grams, it's still travel-friendly but now rumored to pack a 1-inch or 1.3-inch sensor. Expect sharper 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, wide dynamic range, and improved low-light shots, perfect for vlogs and travel reels. Flight time is said to exceed 40 minutes, paired with fast charging to keep you flying longer. Even better, its compact build might be reinforced with stronger materials, adding wind resistance without losing portability. Features like 360-degree obstacle sensing, upgraded active track, and refined gesture controls could make flying smoother and safer. Cinematic quick shots, smart editing tools, and a polished app experience round it out. Whether you're a traveler, beginner, or casual pilot wanting pro-level features without the weight, the Mini 5 Pro could be DJI's most complete lightweight drone yet. It's tiny, smart, and seriously powerful for its size. Number 2. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the ultimate pocket drone for creators on the move. Staying under 250 grams, it's still travel-friendly but now rumored to pack a 1-inch or 1.3-inch sensor. Expect sharper 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, wide dynamic range, and improved low-light shots, perfect for vlogs and travel reels. Flight time is said to exceed 40 minutes, paired with fast charging to keep you flying longer. Even better, its compact build might be reinforced with stronger materials, adding wind resistance without losing portability. Features like 360-degree obstacle sensing, upgraded active track, and refined gesture controls could make flying smoother and safer. Cinematic quick shots, smart editing tools, and a polished app experience round it out. Whether you're a traveler, beginner, or casual pilot wanting pro-level features without the weight, the Mini 5 Pro could be DJI's most complete lightweight drone yet. It's tiny, smart, and seriously powerful for its size. And there you have it, DJI's rumored drone lineup for 2025. From the powerful Neo2 to the ultra-portable Mini 5 Pro, it looks like DJI is ready to dominate every corner of the drone market next year. Each of these drones brings something special: longer flight times, smarter AI, bigger sensors, or new flight modes, giving users at every level something to look forward to. Whether you're a casual flyer, travel vlogger, pro filmmaker, or thrill-seeking FPV pilot, there's something in this lineup that could take your work to new heights. As always, keep in mind that these are early leaks and rumors, but if even half of these features come true, 2025 will be a landmark year for drone enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Technify. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our drone coverage. Let us know in the comments which drone you're most excited about. We'll be covering each one in depth as more news drops. Until next time, keep flying smart and safe.